Ultimia Poseidon D60 with Dolby Atmos. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Inside you'll find the user manual and some accessories. Then the soundbar and subwoofer. The two surround speakers are located in the bottom of the box. We provide you with all the cables, no need to buy them separately, you can check your accessories with the picture. First, let's assemble the surround speakers to subwoofer. Find the stereo RCA to RCA cable, the white cable for left, and red for the right. Connecting the power to the subwoofer. For a better listening experience, the surround speakers should be placed at or near ear level. Alright, it's time to connect your TV. There are 5 ports on the soundbar. There are 4 ways to connect your TV. Firstly, connect to your TV via ERC output. Find the ERC HDMI cable. ARC or ERC is preferred if your TV has an ARC/EARC output. Other HDMI in ports of the TV are not supported. Remove the protective cap and plug into the HDMI port on the soundbar. Find the power adapter and connecting to power. Press the EARC button on the remote control and check the LED shows EARC on the soundbar. Select EARC mode in your TV settings. If you want to use Dolby decoding, please first select Dolby Atmos compatibility in your TV settings. And you can play the video that supports Dolby Atmos, then just enjoy. There is also an interesting and useful CEC function when using ARC connections. It allows the TV remote to control both the soundbar and TV at the same time, turning them on or off and adjusting the volume. Try controlling your TV and soundbar with the TV remote. Try the volume adjustment easy and fast right. Finally, close with one click. Secondly, we show the optical connection. Find the digital optical cable. Remove the protective cap of the cable. Insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's optical out port. Then remove the other protective cap of the cable, align the port shape, and insert into the soundbar, and connect the power cord. Press the OPT button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. Select optical mode in your TV settings. Also, you can connect your TV with AUX cable. Find the stereo 3.5mm to RCA audio cable. Insert the 3.5mm AUX end into soundbar. Insert the other AUX end into your TV's audio out port, and connect the power cord. Press the AUX button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. Note, if you want to change the output from AUX to another output mode when AUX is connected, you need to unplug the AUX cable before the soundbar can work. Prefer wireless? Here, Bluetooth connection. You can connect the soundbar to your smartphone. Press the BT button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. The soundbar will mention searching. Then turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Connected. Search and connect with device Poseidon D60. Also, if your TV supports Bluetooth output, you can connect the soundbar wirelessly. Press the BT button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. The soundbar will mention searching. Turn on the TV's Bluetooth in settings, search and connect. Connected. Sometimes you have followed the steps to connect, but there is no sound. Don't worry. Press and hold the Bass MX button on the remote control for 5 seconds, the LED will show sub flashing, then press and hold the on/off button on subwoofer for 5 seconds. The white LED will be fast flashing, then it will pair with soundbar. The white LED will be solid on when the subwoofer is paired successfully. Also, it may about TV PCM settings. First, set up TV PCM, normally as below. Settings, sound, digital audio format, auto, or pass-through or PCM. Some TVs also need to change the audio output. from the TV output to the soundbar output. If you are not sure about your TV settings, please check our official guide or contact us. There are also software upgrades and other issues of concern to you, which can be found on our official website. We are always here for you.